Star Patrol review here. This thing is absolutely awesome. My favorite light. I'm going to show you guys some scenes of it in the daytime to see how bright the beam is. I'm going to go walk out, turn it around again, show me, and you can see like even the depth of shadows. I'm on a little DJI Osmo 3, like the shadow profile that it's giving. It's just so cool. So reason it's my favorite light, so bright, great quality, holds a charge really well. Charge it for your cell phone, that emergency light feature. I love this thing, favorite light, highly recommend it. Stand right here, hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, just like that. I have my emergency mode going. So here's an idea. This is a field. The trees are about 100 yards away, and I will turn on the light now. Bang, instantly you see so far with this light. Absolutely impressive. Shining this tree right here, show you the different modes. So that building is about 100 yards away. Same with those trees. Go here, go ultra bright, wide, turn on the boost. There's the 20-second boost beam as well, which is just impressive again in its own right. The boost ready you can see there, but again, this thing is so useful. Show really far away, you know, it's probably about 200 yards down there, those trees. Yeah, overall, highly recommended if you're looking for a super bright light. This thing absolutely rocks. And here are the directions right here that give about the amount of time you can do with the battery. So you see here, it kind of gives you the whole setup of what that is, approximations. So overall, you got some guidance there on how long these actually claim to last. So here's a general rundown. I have it charging right here. The 20-second, just at daytime, I'm gonna turn this thing on, boom! About 100 yards away, those trees. Just like that, I have my emergency mode going. And again, show me. And you can see like even the depth of shadows. I'm on a little DJI Osmo 3, like the shadow profile that it's giving. It's just so cool. So about 100 meters away and show you guys how much this thing lights up at nighttime. It's absolutely amazing. Quick features, got the kickstand here. The back is the charger. You can even charge your phone off of this. It's got a super boost button there, and then an emergency mode that if you hold this for 3 seconds, it kind of triggers. That's really cool. All these red, white, and blue, which is super cool in its own right. The fact that that comes in a flashlight is just remarkable. Then just click to turn it off. Again, ton of these features here. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like out in the real world of like out, you know, shining about 100 feet away. So to give you an idea, we're standing to the side and already getting this much kind of bleed off of the light. Even though it's on spotlight mode, it still is radiating all over the place. So just walking out there, that really bright light you see up in the corner is actually the flashlight. Just amazing how bright this guy really is. It's not extremely dark yet. We're right past golden hour, but I have to actually walk in front of you or to the side of it because it's so bright, and we're about 100 yards away right now. I'll turn around and face it, but it's like the beam doesn't even look like it's weakening at all. But I mean, I'm here, that's the only light on in this big open field, and you see me in perfect detail. I'll turn it around and show you just how bright it is. Can't even hardly see. It's basically a spotlight.